The Commonwealth Games aren't just about the big names. Differently abled athletes are going to be competing for glory as well. Wheelchair-bound table tennis player Suvarna Raj turned citizen journalist to reveal how apathy and mismanagement by the authorities have driven differently abled athletes to desperation.
मैं सुवर्णा राज डिफरेंटली एबल एथलीट्स हूँ। मैं आशा करती हूँ कि कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में पार्टिसिपेट करूँगी। मेरे जैसी कई डिफरेंटली एबल एथलीट्स प्लेयर है जो कॉमनवेल्थ जैसे गेम्स में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन सरकार का योग्य सहकार्य ना मिलने की वजह से वह इन खेलों में भाग लेने से वंचित रह जाते हैं।
Both my legs are affected by polio. I have had 7 surgeries on my right leg and 3 on the left. I can only walk by taking support.
बचपन से स्पोर्ट्स का शौक रहा है।
I have been a sports person all my life. I'm a national silver medalist in both powerlifting in the 50 kg category and table tennis. Though I am part of the core group to represent India in table tennis at the Commonwealth Games, I have not yet received any equipment from the government. In 2009, the Paralympic Committee of India had assured us that we would each get a special sports wheelchair, without which we cannot play.
इस व्हीलचेयर की कॉस्ट कम से कम तकरीबन 30,000 रुपये होती है, लेकिन ये व्हीलचेयर गवर्नमेंट ने हमें अभी तक उपलब्ध नहीं कराई है। ये मैं किसी की हेल्प की वजह से मुझे ये आज मिली है। 2009 में मेरा फर्स्ट ट्रेनिंग कैंप था।
When I attended the first Commonwealth Games training camp in March 2009, the conditions were terrible. There was no TT table at the camp. They had not even made proper bathrooms for us.
खाने के लिए हमें रात को 12 बजे खाना मिला था, जो सुबह 10 बजे हम वहां पहुंच गए थे, फिर भी उनको ये भी पता नहीं था कि हम आने वाले हैं। इसीलिए मैंने फर्स्ट RTI लगाई थी कि
I didn't want to take these things lying down. I filed an RTI to find out how money is being spent for disabled sports persons. I asked about the Asian Games and International Wheelchair and Amputee Sports held in 2006. We were shocked to find that even athletes who were supposed to be sponsored by the government had to pay from their own pockets for attending these events. Frustrated by the state of affairs, differently abled athletes staged a dharna in front of Sports Minister MS Gill's home in the capital.
We want this nation to know, we want the policy makers and the decision makers of this nation to know, we want parliamentarians to know, we want media to know that Commonwealth Games is not only about the non-disabled people.
We want Mr. Gill's attention, but he would not speak to us directly.
मेरे जैसे कई डिसेबल्ड फ्रेंड्स हैं जो इनके पास हुनर है, लेकिन फैसिलिटीज की वजह से वो अपना हुनर दिखा नहीं पाते। मैं सुवर्णा राज, सिटीजन जर्नलिस्ट, CNN IBM।